Hello everyone, so welcome back to Lyceum. And in this video, we are going to discuss some MCQs on the Act of 1813. So, welcome back to RRB General Awareness. Okay, so let's explore Lyceum and let's get into the part where we are going to solve the MCQs. So, you know the drill. First of all, you have to go to RRB General Awareness section. You click here. You go to the English medium. You click here. Okay, so in the English medium, you will find RRB GK syllabus. Now, obviously, you have to click on history. You click on history and you have to click on modern history. Now, this is the chapters of modern history. So, we have around 32 chapters, 32 excellent chapters. Now, the part that is Act of 1813 is in this chapter, that is early administrative reforms. So, here we are just going to click here, okay, chapter 5, early administrative reforms, and you will be directed to the section where we are going to solve the MCQs on 1813 Act. Okay, so there are only 3 MCQs, but these MCQs are really important ones, so you better solve it. Okay, so we have the first question. How much money did the British Parliament ask East India Company to pay yearly for the advancement of education in India? A big question, but very simple answer. It is 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so the idea was that every year the East India Company was asked by the British government for the advancement of the Indian education, or at the same time Indian arts and culture. There must be a sum, and that sum was 1 lakh. 1 lakh was earmarked for the development or the continuous or the continuance of Indian art and culture and even education. So the correct answer is 1 lakh. So the second question is, which of the statements are true about the Act of 1813? The first option is allowed Christian missionaries to preach in India. So this is actually true. The Act of 1813 allowed Christian missionaries to preach in India. Then we have the second one, gave unlimited rights to women. So this is not true. British at the earliest stages wasn't really concerned about women's rights. Third, ended slavery in India. Again, this is not true because it was only the Act of 1854 in British Parliament, which was led by William Wilberforce. The slavery was ended in not only Britain but parts of the colony. So this is also incorrect. Then we have the fourth one, that is brought an end to caste system in India. That is also not true. So the correct answer is option A, allowed Christian missionaries to preach in India. The act that ended company monopoly of trade with India. Now, the Act of 1813 is very important because at one end, the Act of 1813 described that the East India Company was allowed to trade for next 20 years in India. But at the same time, it said that the East India Company will not be the only company that will be trading with India. There can be many other companies. So the correct answer is it was the Act of 1813. So we have solved 3 MCQs. There were only 3 MCQs. Let me just click on finish. 3 out of 3 correct. Excellent.